People always ask me how I get my buttons to look so perfectly perfect. And I always tell them 2 words: paper cutter. The biggest mistake that newbie button makers make is buying a cheapo craft punch from the craft store. However, these gadgets don't take into account the extra paper needed to wrap around the back of the button. The solution is an American button machine paper cutter designed specifically for making perfect buttons. And they have several options to choose from, including the Dynamo cutter. This little guy works for 1, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2 inch buttons. All you do is feed the paper with your graphic into Mr. Dynamo, and presto, the perfect size for your button. You're gonna make a perfect button. Yes, you are. Another way to get a perfect cutout is with the punch cutter. Pow! This little guy is by far one of the easiest and fastest lightweight portable paper cutters on the market. Once you have your paper cut into strips, feed it through the punch cutter, line up the graphic, and push. And again. And again. Woohoo! Amazing. Punch cutters come in almost every shape and size for whatever American button machine you have. If those 2 cutters don't catch your fancy, check out the adjustable circle cutter. This is a great option for people who have multiple button machines, as it's adjustable for 1 inch to 3 1/2 inch buttons. What? Yeah, you heard me right. And the way it works is so cool. Place your printed graphic on top of the cutting plate. Center the adjustable cutter over it, push down, and rotate. That's it. Right? I told you it was cool. Now, if you need to make a lot of perfectly perfect buttons fast, then the high-volume die cutting press is the one for you. It's designed to cut up to 30 stacks of paper at one time. Just lift the handle and place your graphic on the cutting board. Then center the super-duper sharp cutting die over your graphic. Then slowly pull the handle down to cut through the entire stack of paper. Bam! Now you've got 30 cut circles just aching to be made into a perfect button. Perhaps a button for an award ceremony, or your fundraiser, or raising awareness for your nonprofit, or your sports photography business, or any business. Now that you know how to make the perfect button, the possibilities are endless. After all, everybody loves a button.